Hello there, this is a 2D platformer in which you run around, collect coins and dodge spikes. I made the whole thing on my iPad using Xogot, Godot for iOS. This is a quick devlog on how I took this game a little bit further. I added more levels, player animations, twins for when I collect coins, and even sound effects, plus a main menu, so let's get started right away. So first of all, these are the assets that I have downloaded. I have a few sound effects and also some UI elements such as a few buttons and 2 fonts. Now I'm just gonna select both folders and paste them inside my Xogot project. Now when I come back to Xogot, I'm gonna be finding them right inside my project. Let me firstly create a main menu scene. It's gonna be very basic. It will basically have a background, a text with the game title and a play button. Very simple stuff. Okay, so now supposedly, we should have this main menu done. So when I start it in full screen, this is what I see. Very nice, very clean. And when I click on the play button, here we are in level 1, and we can basically jump and do, well, the usual things, okay? The next thing I wanna do is add animations to my player, because for example, when it's walking, it's like completely still, so let's actually add animations to it. To do this is very simple. I will replace the sprite to the node for an animated to the sprite node, and this will allow me to create the different states, such as idle and walk, and then I will basically need to trigger these states whenever I need to in the code. Okay, and as you can see, this looks very awesome. When we jump, we have this animation. When we walk, we have another one, and when we are not moving, we have this idle animation. Next, whenever I collect a coin, I actually want to have like an effect. My idea is that as soon as I collect it, it gets scaled in and also fade out at the same time. So let's see it in action. So to do it, I just need to add a few lines of code where I collect the coin, and I'm basically gonna be using a twin to create this effect. Okay, and here's the effect. I think I like it a lot. Basically, it gets scaled up actually, and at the same time it fades out. Just so you know, this is the part of the code that handles that. For this, I create what is called a twin, and here I modify the properties that I need. So the area here in this case is the coin, so I modify the scale. Specifically, I make it go to scale 3 in 0.275 seconds. And I do something very similar, but with the modulate A, which is the alpha, basically a transparency, but in this case I fade it down once again in 0.275 seconds. Another thing I'm gonna be doing is adding 2 more levels. Okay, so this is my 5th level, and well, this was the 4th level. And also, well, if you wanna remember from the last episodes, well, level 3, level 2, and level 1. Let me now start playing them. Another thing, I have this SVX folder with audio for example, when I collect a coin, when the game is over, jump, level complete, etc. So I'll basically integrate them using audio stream player notes, and I'll show you the final result. So this is all for today's video. It's really amazing that you can literally do all this without a PC and 100% using an iPad. If you wanna start using Xogot, you will have a link in the description down below that will give you 1 month free of the full version. Or if not, use code Letta at checkout. See you in the next one and bye bye.